Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Darth Vader. Today we are going to crack this filler open. If you missed it, the video for the unboxing of this, which was the 40th anniversary legacy pack, I recently put up, so go check that out as well. This filler came with it. Now let's have a nice look at the packet. So you've got the vintage look here with the 40th anniversary. Big packet. Kenner. Very cool. It's even got, where did I see it? On the back. A Black Series logo up here. Put it down just so I can get it more stable. Here we go. The lilies. Very cool. Very cool. Alright. Part of me doesn't want to do this, but here we go. Should have been a knife. And I'm back. Right. So I don't destroy the packet so much. Just be careful not to cut them. I really do like this packet. And we're in. And that's still great. That's a good looking saber. Look at that. Very cool. Very cool. Good detail. Now, ready comes. So noisy. Oh wow. That cape is fan-dangly-tastic. Oh, that is already one hell of a figure. Let's just check out the detail on him, I think. That light, great light. Wow. That is cool. There we go, let's do it that way. There's the birds again. Caper in the back. Oh, that is a beautiful piece. That cape is phenomenal. That is really cool. Look at the back. Oh wow. Very, very, very nice. He's got a clip for a saber. I don't think he has a hilt though. That is great detail, guys. Oh, I like it. I do. Seems a bit stiff, but a bit of wriggling will change that. Oh, that is badass. Right. Very nice. That is one hell of a Vader. Zoom back here. Very cool, people. Very cool. I am very impressed. That is cool. I am looking forward to filling this whole thing up. Yeah, I'm looking forward to filling this thing up. That is going to be cool. I'm looking forward to the photos too. So there we go, my friends. Very impressed with that. Very good buy. So until next time, this is Darth Rock 1. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I don't think there's much out for a while now. But you never know what pops up. I just can't stop looking at it. Alright, thank you very much. Until next time, please subscribe, like, comment in the section. I'd love to get your comments on what things to do. I'm always ears open. And until next time, my friends, very much enjoy doing this. This is Darth Rock 1 out. May the Force be with you always.